All right, so continue with the system constraint for the component specs. So we have for components components two component two not more than 20%. So if something is not more than 20% means it's less than or equals to 0.2. 20% is 0.2. So component two regular, still regular. Component two regular. Okay, so I'll come here. Component two regular. In the blends, component two regular. In the component two blends, so S2 R plus S2 S2 P. Let me come. I'm coming. So for the first one of regular should not be less than 40%. That was what you have done. So still of regular. Where is the regular? This is the regular. Don't forget S1R, S2R, S3R. Don't forget the regular. S1R plus S2R plus S3 S3R plus S4R. And what does this is? It should not be what? It should not be more than 20%. So it means it should be less than or equal to 0.2. Are we okay? Should be okay by now. Then the third specification and the regular. So regular has three categorization of specification. Not less than 30%, which will component what? 3 in regular, component 3 in regular, component 3 in regular. Regular we know it as 1R, 2R, 3R, and lastly 4R. We said it should not be less than 30%. It means greater than or equal to 0.3. Then uh, last but not the least. Okay, so we even have for rolling. So premium component 3 in premium should not be less than 40% in premium. In premium. So component 3 in premium in the blend of premium. And what is the blend of premium? It's in the blend of premium because look, this one the categorization and the premium. So in the blend of premium, where is premium? Premium is this one here. So in the blend of premium, we know that premium has one component being premium, two component being premium, three component being premium, four component being premium. Is that right? S1P, S2P, S3P, S4P. And what does it say? It says it should not be less than 40%. Means greater than or equal to. Then for low lead, no more than 50% of 2. So component 2 in low lead should not be more than 50 watts. It's not more than 50%. So it should be less than or equal to 50% to 0.5 half. Then what is the blend of low lead? All is here. Blend of low lead. This one, low lead. So I have X1L plus X2L plus X3L plus X4L. Then finally, not less than 10% of one low lead. Component one is low lead. And the low lead is X1L plus X2L plus X3L plus X4L. Should not be less than, right? 10%. So if it's not less than, it means it's greater than or equal to. Ladies and gentlemen, the funniest thing is this thing here, you can still represent it as X11. This one, X11, because I told you regular is 1. This can be X2 2 1. This can be x3 1. This can be x3 2. This can be x2 2. This can be x1 3. As well as the denominator, so this one can be x, for instance, this one can be x1 1, x2 1, x3 1, x4 in that manner. So I'll quickly share. Let me see whether I can get the handout. Ah, so this is the handout, and we now know this one's ready. So I want us to quickly look at how. So I want you to understand that is my work. I'm not there to just copy, 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 copy. Yes, so this is how it is. Ah, so that's what you have done. That's what you have done brilliantly. So here is x23. Forgive me. Wait. So x11, x1r is the same. You can see it from here. x1r, x11. Can you see that? Then what I said, this one can be the same as x1r plus x2r because r is 1, which is regular, plus x3r plus x4r. And you can see, if you are not a little bit blind, you can see whatever is here, down here, down here, x1 x2 x4 is what you are having here. x1 x2 x4 x3 x4. So this is how you present it, neatly like this. Neatly like this. You can open it, you can leave it as I have left my own. What you are looking for is this as your objective function. Beautifully done. System constraints. System constraint part 1. System constraints part what? Part 2. Then of course, almighty what? No negativity principle. So what you can say in short is that you can say that xid, because these ones are the blending component, should be greater than or equal to 0. And ladies and gentlemen, on this note, this is where we draw the curtains for linear programming model formulation. I'll come your way with some series of past questions another time, but not now. So now, stay safe and stay allocation of limited or scarce resources in your community and your industries. Thank you very much. Bye bye.